The God that we're dealing with, like we said, lives in the realm of timelessness and deals in intangibles. He doesn't spend money.
That's right.
I need money, he doesn't need money.
That's right.
Yeah, I want it to happen before the end of the week or before the end of the month. He doesn't understand month
God has
or
the
week.
big picture.
He has a big picture in mind. So it's a case of Isaiah 55, where I think from around verse 8 down to 12, where it says, your ways are not my ways. His thoughts are higher. He says, as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are his thoughts above our thought. So, and sometimes when God, in his timelessness, or is trying to translate what is ahead of us to us, which is why the Bible says that we should be followers of them who through faith and patience inherit the promise. Because it takes faith and patience to walk with a God that lives in the realm of timelessness, that operates in intangibles.